Hey, how you going? It's Eden from Delta Equipment here. Today we're taking a look at the Slanetrac HS55 Saw Head. This is a pruning saw for excavators from 1.5 tonnes to about 3 tonnes. And then there's a larger model, the HS75, from about 3.5 upwards. This saw blade is 550 millimeters in diameter and will cut about 150 millimeter branches. This attachment requires 25 to 50 litres of oil flow a minute, so suitable for smaller machines. And you'll notice that this valve block and the motor that's chosen in this unit eliminates the need for a case drain. So this is able to be run on pretty low spec machines. The unit itself weighs 55 kilos, and you'll notice that this hitch here, if we come around, the hitch has an integrated spline which enables an additional 360 degrees of tilt for circumstances where you can't tilt enough with your excavator arm already. So nice and versatile. If you'd like to learn more about the Slanetrac HS55 Saw Head, get in touch with Delta Equipment today and we'll gladly answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.